Hey everyone! Welcome back to the channel. I hope you're all doing amazing today. In this video, we're diving into one of my favorite creative workflows on Vheer AI, taking still images and making them come alive with motion, plus transforming backgrounds like a pro. We'll be exploring some incredibly fun tools. AI image to video, background remover, blur background, outline image, text behind image. So whether you're working on social media content, eye-catching ads, or just experimenting with cool visuals, these tools will help you level up your creativity instantly. Before we jump in, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and ring that bell so you never miss the next tutorial. Let's get started. So let's start with the AI image to video tool. Once you open it, you'll notice a few settings right away. There's the basic image prompt where you describe your scene, the video prompt which is optional but can help refine the animation, and then the video format which supports only MP4 or WebM. The length is fixed at 5 seconds, the frame rate is limited to 25 fps, and the maximum resolution you can set is 768p. That's the current limit, but trust me, the results are still pretty stunning. You can upload your own image or generate one inside Vheer, then let the AI animate it. Think of it like breathing life into your art. The hair sways, the lights flicker, the background moves, all without you touching a video editor. Now let's write our prompt. For basic image prompt, I'm using this prompt. A stylish young woman standing under neon lights, soft breeze moving her hair, cinematic look. For video prompt, I'm using this prompt. I wanted something visually rich but not too busy. Neon lighting adds vibrancy, and a gentle breeze gives that subtle, realistic movement. Keeping the others option as default, just changing the peps to 25. Now hit generate. Alright, so this is our output result. The animation captured the light flicker and hair movement beautifully. There's a slight parallax effect in the background, which makes it feel more alive. For just 5 seconds, it's surprisingly cinematic. It did some issues on face, but overall the video is so good. Next, we have the background remover, a must-have for content creators. Let's say you have a great product shot or a portrait, but the background is cluttered. Upload it here. You can add multiple pictures at a time, and with one click, boom, the background is gone, leaving you with a clean, isolated subject. The edges are crisp, hair strands are preserved. It looks super professional without any Photoshop headaches. Now, let's talk about the blur background tool. Sometimes you don't want to remove the background entirely, you just want to make the subject pop. Upload your image, adjust the blur intensity, and instantly get that cinematic depth of field effect. Hit generate, and here is the output result. This works amazingly for profile pictures, product showcases, or even event shots where you want to keep the mood but reduce distractions. The subject is razor sharp, the background is buttery smooth, just like a high-end DSLR shot. Here's something fun, the outline image tool. Upload any photo, and Vheer will create a bold outline around your subject, giving it that sticker style or cutout look. I am using this cat picture and hitting generate. Here is the result. The outline is clean, colors pop, and it instantly grabs attention. Perfect for modern, graphic-style visuals. You can also change the thickness and outline color now. Finally, let's check out text behind image, one of the most creative typography tools on Vheer. You upload your image, type your text, and Vheer automatically places it behind your subject. No tedious masking needed. Example, upload a body lotion picture with studio background. Now I am adding text. Here you will get different types of font and multiple text option. Add text as you want to make. It's done now, hit generate. The text seamlessly sits behind the body lotion, creating that layered, magazine cover effect. It looks like something straight out of a professional ad campaign. Stylish, clean, and perfect for branding. Customize it as you want to make. And there you have it. 5 amazing tools on Vheer AI that let you animate, edit, and stylize your images like never before. AI image to video, background remover, blur background, outline image, text behind image. These are game changers for anyone who wants to turn simple images into scroll-stopping visuals. If you found this helpful, remember to like the video, Comment your favorite tool below. Subscribe for more Vheer AI tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Until then, keep creating and stay inspired.